Alright, so this is going to be an updated version of my first impression of the Intense Tracer 275 carbon. Now I have it all put together, built up the way I want it. Been riding it for about a month and a half now. Put a lot of miles. I should have checked that before I started. That's on my Strava. My name's David Heck. I'm going to be doing a few videos about this bike and many more about different parts and gear. I'll be riding in Bend, Oregon. I bought an RV and I'll be traveling to Bend first. So I'll be doing some videos about trails up there, and we'll see about enduro bikes. Mainly this one for now, but I've ridden lots of other bikes. I just got done with a 26-inch Mojo, Ibis Mojo. And I'll go into some of my other bikes at a later point. But right now, so we have the Intense Tracer 275 carbon. In my first video, I said how the front fork is obviously a lot more with the 160 and the 27.5-inch tires. A lot more than I'm used to, but I'm getting used to it now, and I have to say that the difference in the 27.5-inch tires they're noticeable. You know, it's not a huge difference from the 26, which is good, but it is noticeable going over rocks, bumps, ruts, roots, etc. So right now I have the Stans No Tube ZTR Arch EX. I put the arches on because I'm lighter. I'm about 150 pounds, so I did not use the flows. Save a little bit of weight. Have the RockShox Pike up front, 160. I'm trying these Panaracer Neo Motos, 27.5 by 2.3. Trying those out. I may switch back to the Maxxis high rollers. And maybe an Ardent on the rear. Alright, so up front on the handlebars, I have a Thomson carbon all mountain bar with the Thomson stem. That's a 40mm stem. Also have the Ergon grips. These are the Enduro specific grips. And I'm trying the Thomson seat post. This is what they call the covert seat post, so it is a stealth dropper post. That anodized look is pretty cool. The Ergon seat, that's the Pro. I can't remember what the model number is. It's the Ergon Pro, the Enduro. Have the RockShox rear suspension, rear shock. Also set at 160. This frame, you can set it on these two different screws here. If you can see that, the bottom one is I think 140 or 150. The top one is 160. I have the xx1, SRAM xx1 on here. I put the 170 cranks arms on here, so a little shorter for a little more RPM. I'm 5'8", so I thought the shorter ones would be worth a try. I do like it a lot. Less strikes also with that. The only thing I don't have on here are these pedals. I'll probably switch to more of a trail pedal. I definitely will change these out. These are my old pedals. SRAM xx1 rear derailleur. I have been noticing some issues with this derailleur. This is actually my third, I think. There is some noise, some grinding noise. I've had some clicking noises with one of them. Hopefully they'll get that figured out. I'm sick of having to replace derailleurs. It's cool they send me new ones, but I just want it to work, obviously. I've read some forums about rebuilding them. Don't really want to get into that, but hopefully we can get that figured out. So overall, yeah, this bike is awesome. There's a couple others I would like to try too, but this one is, I think, going to be the ticket for Bend, Oregon, and for those trails. I'm going to be doing lots of videos about traveling. I got an RV, probably doing some bike shop stuff, and different places to ride, different places to stay, videos about the town and whatnot. Not really sure, but I'm going to hit the road here in about a week or two. So it's just another video I wanted to put up, just trying to get started here on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, hit the like button.